Hello everyone, my name is Doug Joseph, and I'm going to be your instructor for the summer semester. So today I'm going to show you how to go ahead and log in and access all of your homework on MyMathLab. A couple of different ways we can do this. You can go directly to MyMathLab, or you can access it through Blackboard. So I'm going to access it through Blackboard, so you can see also how to get the handouts in case you're still stuck on how to get into the MyMathLab component. So we're going to go to our web page. We're going to go to Blackboard. We'll log in just like you normally would. You'll find your course. Okay. Just so you know a little bit about what we have in Blackboard. What we have in Blackboard is we've got instructor contact. So you can contact me directly if you have any questions. And you can also contact online learning. Next, we have syllabus and resources. And from here, you can download your syllabi. This is also a handout here, and I'll show you this one, on how to log in and access MyMathLab, which we're going to be going through in a moment. But in case you don't know how to do that, here's step-by-step directions on how to access MyMathLab, and just some general course information. To access MyMathLab, you can go to www.mymathlab.com, or you can just click on MyMathLab Access. It's going to load up your MyMathLab screen. From here, you're going to go ahead and click Sign In. And I think most of you have already been enrolled. If you just paid today or over the weekend, you may not be enrolled yet, but you'll be enrolled in MyMathLab shortly. Okay, so you'll click Sign In. You may have to allow pop-ups, or you can just ignore that for right now. We're going to go ahead and click Sign In. It's going to go to our Sign In page for MyMathLab. Now, your username is going to be your Allen email. Mine is not numbers because I don't have a student ID. I have a faculty email. But it will be your student ID at allencc.edu. So it's going to be the same as your email address. Now, your password is going to be the first four letters of your last name with the first letter capitalized, followed by the last four digits of your Social Security. So again, first four letters of your last name with the first letter capitalized, last four digits of your Social Security. If you have a last name that is 4 characters or less, check your Allen email, because I sent you your password, because your password might be slightly different. Okay, so if your last name is a shortened last name, less than 4 characters, 4 characters or less, check your Allen email. You should have gotten an email from me with your password. Okay, so I'll go ahead and log in here, just to show you kind of what the course looks like. All right, now then from here, you'll only have one class. Now I have several because I'm the instructor of a couple of classes, but we're going to go ahead and look at one of the classes. Both the intermediate and college algebra are structured the same, so it doesn't matter whether you're in college algebra or whether you're in intermediate over the summer. The course is going to be pretty much structured the same. So this is our MyMathLab. This is where you're going to be doing all of your homework. We'll just go through the tabs quickly here. Your home page is located here. It can show you when things are due. So notice we have a syllabus quiz. If you're in the college algebra, you have a syllabus quiz due on June 11th. If you're an intermediate, you just have a discussion board post to do. Staff information. Again, that's just a little bit about me. You can look at your syllabi again here if you need to. The one in Blackboard is easier to print out. This one's more of a made so you could view it a little bit easier on the web. You've got your due dates. We've got put in here when everything is due. All of your assignments are located under the Assignments tab. Now, all of them are open, so you can work at your own pace. However, you do not want to get too far behind. I try to set due dates once a week. That way it keeps you from getting far behind. If you do happen to get a little bit behind, talk to me about it, and I can give you a little bit of extension on some of your homework and things, but you really, really want to keep up. So as long as you're making progress, you'll do great in this course. Okay, and over here it says when things are due. And you've got the number of attempts. You can take your homework as many times as you need to. Same thing with your quizzes. And they go in your gradebook after that. Discussion board is where you're going to start for this class. Some of you may have already posted, it looks like, since this morning. But all I want for the discussion board is for you to post a little bit about yourself and reply to someone else's post. That way we get a little bit of interaction. My Grades is located here, and you'll be able to see your overall score. So you've got homework, quizzes, and tests there that'll factor into that. Multimedia library. You can look at all the different parts of your textbook. So if you don't happen to have your textbook with you, let's say you're working at the coffee shop or something like that, you don't want to bring in your textbook, you can see it online here as well, with all the chapters and the sections. And that's just the basics of the course. You won't see these buttons here because those are mine. Those are my instructor access buttons. What you'll see is all these: homepage, staff information, syllabus, due dates, assignments, and so on. Okay. Again, just try and keep up with the class. And my name is Doug Joseph, and I'll be your instructor for the summer. If you ever have any questions, always feel free to contact me through my email. I check my email several times a day. I can work out questions from the homework if you get stuck on certain ones. If you ever lock yourself out of an assignment or an exam, let me know. I can fix that as well. Or sometimes you may be working on an assignment and you may think that I did it correctly, but I got it wrong. Maybe you did something like rounding wrong. Maybe it said take it out to 3 places and you took it out to 2. If something like that happens, let me know. I can look at the homework and I can see what you answered and I can fix your question. If you got it wrong for a different reason, I can work it out for you. So I'm here to help. We also have Jerry Vincent in the Math Center on the Burlingame campus. He can help as well. We can work with you through Zoom, different ways we can help. So I really want you to be successful. Main thing is, get started in the class now. You do not want to wait very long. Okay? So again, hope you have a great semester.